Okay, now I want to do a couple problems where the rectangles won't be sitting next to each other and the squares won't be sitting next to each other when you build the problem. Okay, so like in this problem, we're going to build 2x plus 1 minus 3x minus 3, but the rectangles are going to be away from each other and the squares are going to be separated from each other. So then what I'm going to ask you to do after you build it the original way, I want you to rebuild it so the rectangle pieces are side by side and the square pieces are side by side. Okay, we're going to call those like terms later. Okay, so I think you'll know as we do it. Okay, 2x plus 1. Okay, 2x is 2 green rectangles. Okay, plus 1. Okay, that would be a yellow square. Okay, then we have negative 3x because minus 3x is the same as a negative 3x combined. So we're going to grab 3 red rectangles for negative 3x, and then minus 3 or negative 3 would be 3 red squares. Okay, so there's 2x plus 1 minus 3x minus 3. But now I'm going to take those 4 things and rearrange them. I'm going to put the 2x and the negative 3x side by side. There's my 2 x's. Here's my 3 negative x's. Okay, my positive 1 and my negative 3. Okay, it's the same exact pieces, but I rearranged them. I put the 2 x sets together, and I put the 2 square sets together. Okay, so it's called combining, or I should say collecting your like terms together. We got our rectangles collected together, and we got our squares collected together. Okay, we'll get more into that later. Okay, so now to simplify it, I'm just going to look at the last one. Take away any zeros. I have a green rectangle and a red rectangle. I have a green rectangle and a red rectangle. Okay, I have a yellow square and a red square. So what I have right there in my picture is the final answer. Okay, I have negative, oops, I need a text box. Okay, so we're going to type in negative x and then minus 2. Okay, so the simplified answer would be negative x minus 2.